Guys, we're in St. Roberts, Missouri, checking out Uranus Fudge Factory. Just a big, huge tourist attraction they have here on the side of the highway. Welcome to Uranus. I got the load.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3,
And to discover what happened to little Willie, in Uranus. Boy, I love fudge from Uranus. So creamy and smooth and kind of warm. I guess you ain't got my toilet paper, huh? All right, if you ain't going to help me out, then shut the door. There's a draft coming in.
We've made it to Uranus. Now we're going to go and explore the fudge factory and check out the inside. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Like I said, it's in St. Roberts, Missouri. This is it's a few hours from St. Louis, but yeah. An old little fire truck, Uranus Fire Department. Again, this is like a pretty much fake town. They put a teddy bear in there. That's so cool. I like the old wood ladder.
everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
I've been here a couple times. I love all the art that they got. People put their stickers and stuff up. No AC running today in this. Going up. Second floor of the bus. This is Uranus, guys. We're exploring this whole little fake town they built for tourists off of Route 66. On the bus. That's what they mean by historical, because it's built right off of Route 66. Oh dude, we got AC going on this. Oh. Route 66. All the little tours. County jail. The little county jail they have here. I think that's pretty cool.
Sure.
They built a little jail out of 2x4s.
With a nice gentle tap to Uranus. Would you like a receipt?
No, that's alright.
I like the ceiling, it's super cool.
You are good to go.
Thank you.
Thanks for picking Uranus. Have a great day. Sorry.
Checking out the museum here. Walked into the museum here at Uranus, and they got a bunch of cool stuff we're gonna walk through and show you guys right now. What? Are you scared? Dude, you missed the most, like, look at this stuff. Wow. That's really, that's weird, isn't it? Oh my God. We can't, I just want to look at this. Alright, you ready? For the record, we could take pictures and videos, but no flash, she said. This is some weird stuff right here. I'm sure there's tons of people that got video of Uranus, but I wanted to drive out here and show you guys this little town they built. Big tourist attraction. This museum is just... What? Oh, they got Elephant Man. That is crazy.
You ever seen pictures of the Elephant Man?
Yes. This place is definitely a little creepy. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, what do you think, dude?
I think it's pretty cool here.
Oh, they literally have a two-headed monkey in here. Wow, that is crazy, dude. 8'11", and 5 foot tall. That is different. Unbelievable. And this is also $6 to come in and view the museum. I love fish tanks. Look how long this turtle's neck is here. Holy cow. They got a sucker fish in there. I love aquariums. They're hungry. He's eating all the algae off the turtle. You see that? They have like they call it a push and pull turtle. Looks like it's like multiple turtles in one show. Oh my god, they look so uncomfortable, don't they? At least they're in a 75-gallon aquarium. They got a little space to move around.
Look at this. I think that's 3 turtles in one.
Are they even? No, that's just 2. This guy is posted. Let me out.
Alright.
Ready?
Damn, you're fit.
Yeah, I bet you I can. Pull the voltage. Oh shit. They actually have like handles and everything. We're entering the entry of the actual main gift shop here.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't
Uranus
quit,
Fudge. Look at all the flavors they got.
till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, then I do it till
More
I get what I
flavors
want.
of the fudge.
Got nothing into something I love. I got a poker face with
They got a whole section of chocolates too. Oh my god, this is so me. I'm not a fudge person, but oh wow, look at all of this.